Today we will have a look at a flat earther that tries to use the cliffs of Dover to prove flat earth. Today's video that I'm watching is from a flat earther called Awaken, and he have a video from Calais filming Dover. Let's start. The first video from Awaken is filmed from Calais to Dover, and he's filmed the white cliffs of Dover. Let's start the video. I will play it in double speed. In the end of the video he states, "We've been lied to." I will come back to that statement later on. He claims that the distance between Calais and Dover is 25 miles, which is 40 kilometers, and that's quite correct. And here we have Awaken's calculation, and I'm sure that all of you see the problem. Refractions. He haven't calculated for refraction. And he did get the result, a target hidden height of 297 feet. If we add standard refraction, we have a hidden height of 238 feet. And then we change to the metric system. I'm more used to that one. So the hidden height is 72 meters. And if we add medium refractions, then the hidden height is 50 meters, less than half the height of the cliffs of Dover. I took his statement in the end of the video as advice. So I looked a bit further on this. Was he at this location that he claims? Let's look at that one. And here we have a frame from his video where he shows the beach where he filmed from. And as you see on this image, there are sand beaches closest to Calais. On his beach it was stones and rocks. So I had a look further south at the coast. I followed the coastline. The first beach that looked like the one in the video was down here. I'm quite sure that this is the area where he filmed from. And what do we have here? A well-known lighthouse and a very popular tourist spot to view over the English Channel to Dover. The distance to Dover is 33 kilometers. I have been at this place, so I know it's our trails down from the top to get closer to the beach. So I believe he was somewhere at this spot. Can I prove it? Let's compare this image with a part of his video. If we compare the rocks out in the water in this area with his image from the video, it's quite clear. This is the correct locations where this video is filmed. So now we know he did give us the wrong location and the wrong distance. But if we believe him on the observer height, this is the result with standard refractions. 48 meters is hidden. And with medium refraction, 33 meters is hidden. And if the observer height was 7 meters with standard refractions, it would be 36 meters hidden. And with 7 meters observer height and medium refractions, 23 meters would be hidden. And with 7 meters observer height and strong refraction, the hidden value would be 12 meters. It's not possible for me to make a correct calculation. I don't know the observer height and I don't know the refraction, but one thing I do know, that he was lying about the distance and didn't tell his locations, and that have I proven. When I was editing this video, I noticed that I have missed some information in the description of the video. This video wasn't filmed by Awake, so he can't know anything about anything in this video. I already proven that it wasn't filmed from Calais and the distance was therefore totally wrong. And he can't tell you the height, the observer's height, because he wasn't there. It wasn't filmed by him. So all he managed to prove with this video is that he is a dishonest flat earther. He have not in any way, shape or form proved that we live on a flat earth. Who is surprised? Thank you all helping me helping Ukraine. I talked to one of the soldiers yesterday and they have only 2 drones left. So I used the ad revenues for the channel and the super chats and so on. That was about 100 euros, and the donation I have received lately was about 500 euros, and I added my own private money. So I have today ordered 4 new drones, and hopefully I will receive them tomorrow. I have bought them and asked for express delivery. They need the drones desperately. If you want to help, please use PayPal, link in the description. Thank you very much. Hope you like this video. I think it's quite funny when you find out that flurfs are lying. Who is surprised? If you like the video, please subscribe, become a member, hit like, or come back next time I'm showing you a video. See you soon, bye.